What's up, everybody? My name's JT, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm actually doing an unboxing, but it's going to actually be an unboxing of some fragrances I actually purchased from Maxaroma. So the other night, I was actually, just trying to figure out what I wanted, and I actually picked from two different fragrance houses, Fragrance Net and Maxaroma. So I ordered them at the same time. This one came in first. The other one should be here soon. They actually priority mailed it in 2 days, and I did not have to pay anything extra. It was about a $50 package, so that was pretty cool. It came really fast. It came within 2 days, and so I'm gonna do an unboxing, and shortly after this video, I will be doing a video on the fragrance that I have in here. Smash that like button. Subscribe down low, please comment. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos. These are gonna be kind of a little thing I'm gonna do every time I get boxed up. I'm gonna actually do an unboxing. I do recommend going through these because the prices of them are really cheap, dirt cheap. I mean, you can go to Macy's and buy the same bottle for $80 at Macy's, and over here they're like 30 bucks. So, just unboxed. I'm super happy. I haven't sprayed these yet, and I'm not gonna do my official review. But just smelling it from just opening up the cap and smelling it like this, I don't think I'm gonna be too disappointed. These bottles are pretty cool. I like them. I like them a lot. Like I said, please subscribe. Please comment down below, and I will be doing another video right after this one. So please stay tuned because I will be doing a review on Armaf's Club de Nuit Intense Man. I hope I'm saying that right. And Tres Nuit from Armaf. Peace.